last step. Not enough pressure to go
We
in.
need to fucking wait because now we're just gonna go by target range. Right?
Yeah, I don't know what it was when we took it off.
Yeah. I'm not even worried
I
about
don't know where we were at.
The first day I took it, I didn't drink no water the whole day. I took like the longest piss in my whole life. The whole piss came out.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
Usually when you
4.
water weight and my piss came out clear. I ended up always taking the pill a lot. I think it was my skin was hurting.
Ace says still gonna do
Crack it.
Yep, still gonna do that, but it's probably gonna be a lot more though.
Now I eat a lot.
Hey!
I can do whatever I want. My body stays the same. I look in the mirror, body stays the same.
Alright, so what was I talking about? Yeah.
116. So just go 3 ticks past 100.
I mean, I'll tell you what I do. I wake up, I'll eat a bagel with cream cheese. I come to school. I used to go to Wawa and get like a croissant with a sausage, egg, and cheese. Something for somewhat protein, sausage, egg, and cheese. Not that bad. Get home from school, I'll probably eat. Probably a fucking hot pocket. Just once, not two.
This is all closed, right?
Yeah, that should be.
I haven't been doing it that much lately, so I'm starting to again. I'll go to the gym, get a good ass workout. At the end of my workout, I'll make sure I do 100 sit-ups. Go home. Probably eat what's for dinner, like steak.
Give it a little bit of time.
Give it a little bit of time to
Yeah,
look it
because
up.
we were just putting in straight, like, vapor, because there wasn't shit left in the tank before.
We're putting in
Less
liquid.
than that.
And it's
Yeah, because that,
Doing a lot of
that
jumps
tank was
yeah.
empty when we had it, so
No,
No, no, no, go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm trying to make some room.
it's going to be vaporized.
I barely hit 1,000. It's not that good.
So I got a hard head, man. Let me break
Yeah,
the
bro,
phone.
hey, there's a crack on my.
No,
phone now.
I can't even eat like more than 2 slices of pizza. That's how my body is. I can't eat that much food. If I eat a
that valve open?
Yep. Man,
I'll be good, man. That should be
I
like eating
can probably do another turn.
a meal at a restaurant.
I don't know. I've been.
No, just open a little longer.
Then I'll be able to eat maybe a little bit of food and eat down or if I'm high, I'll eat like other things.
Go ahead, Mitch.
Yeah,
Put
I
your
don't-
dick
I
in the
haven't-
video real quick.
Yeah, I don't smoke anymore, so I don't really eat shit anymore. I keep my shit like portioned.
Not 100.
Say 116.
116.
3 ticks.
115 is pretty good.
Yeah, it's 3 ticks. That's good. I mean, I don't even think it's going to be 4 pounds anyway.
Ever.
You know, so
Because the lines are short.
unless we recover everything and take this straight off the bat and do 4 pounds of that, that's the only way you're gonna know if you do 4 pounds because we're doing all different kinds of shit with recovery tanks and all this other crap.
Yeah, like, when I'm higher now, I'll even fucking buckets. I don't sure what this.
But I don't like eating. Like I'll eat in the morning. Cereal, like
There you go.
Yeah, just go.
There you go. Maybe
So 110.
10 more pounds.
I got used to eating a lot.
It's going to drop down a little bit.
Like in the morning, if I have a side noodle, and I'm not that hungry, I'll eat cereal.
Yeah, bro.
You can't hold and then like.
I'm like, bro.
You can't